Good news for California homeowners with solar. You can now add more solar panels to your home without losing your valuable NEM advantage. Many homeowners with NEM 1.0 or NEM 2.0 have seen their electricity usage rise since installing solar, leading to higher utility bills. Until now, they haven't had an affordable way to expand their existing systems. So, what's the solution? Non-export systems. By installing non-export panels, you can generate energy for your home without sending excess power back to the grid. If your home meets its energy needs with the new system, your old system can still send power to the grid, earning you the same NEM 2.0 credits. Adding battery storage enhances this even further. You can store excess power for later use in the afternoon and evening when energy prices are highest. This way, you can offset costs at night when your solar isn't producing. Plus, you have the option for backup power when the grid goes down or simply save money by avoiding peak pricing in the evening. The choice is yours. Is it time to expand your solar system? Here are some signs to consider. If your energy needs have increased. If you want to maximize savings on your utility bill. Or if you've purchased an electric vehicle or hot tub and need more solar power to charge it. Just remember, installing these systems can be complex. It's important to choose the right solar installer to guide you through the process. Ready to expand your solar system? Let's make the most of your energy needs.